Hello, everyone. In the series of discussing common error, here we have part 2, class 10 mathematics, that is area of circles. Question is the perimeter of certain sector of a circle of radius 5.6 meter is 20 meter. Find area of the sector. So perimeter, find the area of the sector. Perimeter means boundary, fencing, and sum of all lengths along the boundary. So here it is circle, and we are talking about sector, that is two radius and the arc. So when we talk about perimeter, we take both the radius and arc length. We know the formula of arc length. So here perimeter equals to 2r plus arc length. Perimeter is given to us 20 meter, 2 radius is 5.6 plus arc length we want to find out, so I write a. So we find out arc length, that is 20 minus 2 into 5.6, that is 11.2. Subtracting, we are getting 8.8 meter. Careful when you subtract the values with decimals. Now length of arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. You know this formula in area of circle. So we put the value here. Length of arc we have got just now 8.8, theta by 360, theta we don't know here, and pi value we know 3.14 or 22 by 7, radius is 5.6. Now we have to calculate or simplify it to find out theta. So see that what we now we have to simplify it. So just it is 2 and 4.4. Removing the decimal, it is by 10. Cancel again. 2 and 22. 5.6 with, that is 2.8 by 10. 7, 360 and 2.8. You simplify according to your choice. It is not that which is divisible. We can simplify, and after simplifying, theta is 90 degree. But as I told, again where the common error can happen, where it is the decimal number. Now theta we have got, arc length we have got. To find out area of sector. It is 3 marks question. So now we put all the value. Theta is 90, 360, that is 1 by 4 we will get, 22 by 7 pi value, and 5.6, 5.6. We cancel, and to 11, 7 and 0.4. Now values we left is 11.4 and 5.6. We multiply it, 4.4 into 5.6. Again when you are multiplying with decimal, see the decimal, so it is 24.64 meters square. Write the unit in rectangular box. Answer must be in rectangular box. So be careful where you can do error, that is P equals to 2r plus arc length.